for some strange reason. Nobody can call Uncle Janet. Me tell him say chicken need one house. I'm not understand. Chicken need one house. Dog I get house so why my chicken can get one house. I need a layering box. I can't make it. I'm tired now. Bath. Good morning. Guys, Olive is not laying. Olive hasn't laid an egg in about 4 days. And if she did, I don't know where because I searched the entire yard and nothing. Noah is over there, and you already know where Noah lays. Noah lays right next to my door and just have her egg. Good morning, Noah. Look at her, thinking somebody's gonna pick her up. I don't know what her story is. And my growing babies are huge. They are growing. Look at them. Look at them. Look how fat Beyonce has gotten. Look. Look at Rihanna. And there goes Nikki. Oh, sorry, that's Cardi B. Sorry, my bad. There's Cardi B right there. Rihanna right there. Beyonce right there. And there goes Nikki over there under the banana field. They're making sounds now, so I'm about to get eggs from them chickens. I'm loving it. And apparently they don't want to eat their own food. They be eating Olive and Noah's food. Okay. And look. Olive does not like when they eat their own stuff, but they don't want them eating their stuff. Look at him. Look at Olive. Running over here to eat their stuff. And there goes, okay, Cash Up and Zell fighting. This is going to be a very interesting fight. Cash Up and Zell is about to fight. Chopper chilling under there. And there's Bounce Check. Yes. Everybody's enjoying themselves this morning. What y'all fighting about? Huh? Huh? Chopper. What y'all do this?